Welcome back to my phone screen, and this is banking update. So in this video again, I've been sharing about this platform called Robot Wallet quite some times now, and I've showed you most of my withdrawal proof on this platform. You can see my withdrawals here. You can see that I've withdrawn like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. I have withdrawn 10 times on this platform, and the last time I withdraw is the day before yesterday. You can see the time, the date. This on the 17th 2023, and you can see the date here. This 19th of January. So I withdraw every two days on this platform according to to my my investment. And right now you can see that I pledge about $100 here already. I pledge about $100, and you can look here that I have $11.69 here. So right now guys, let us know, look, maybe this platform is still paying or not. But before I do that, let me teach you more about this platform. If you want to know more about this platform, uh firstly, let me just teach you directly. Let me teach you directly. Firstly, this is their robot. This is their robot. Their robot will work for you. Their robot will work for you on this platform. So this first robot here is 2023 robot. If you purchase this robot at the rate of $1, this robot price, these are the robot price. Anywhere you see the price here, so these are the robot price. And this startup capital is your capital, the capital you need to give to the robot to start working for you. And estimated daily income of this one is $0.70. When you buy this robot at the rate of $1 and you put $9 into it as your startup capital, this robot will keep on giving you $0.70 every day for 7 days. Their minimum withdrawal is $10, 10 USDT. So keep that in mind. So let me show you. If you want to buy this robot, that means you need to if you want to go for this investment plan here, you need to deposit $10. Then you will use $1 to buy the robot, and the remaining $9 as your investment capital. And when the robot expire at the end of that 7 days, you will get back your $9 back to your wallet. You can withdraw it at any time, or you can, even if you don't want to do it again, you can decide to suspend the robot from working for you, and your capital will be returned back to your wallet, and you can withdraw back your capital if you don't want to do again. So let's go to the others robot. So this is the next robot here. This robot price is $30. So if you want to deposit, you deposit $32. Then your $2 will go for your to buy robots, and the remaining $30 your capital. You will use it to activate the robot, and this robot will be giving you $0.45 every day for 30 days. You can withdraw anytime. You have up to $10 on this platform. So immediately it give you that every day. Let's say you don't want to do again, you can cancel the robot from working for you, and they will return you back your capital. They will return your capital back to you. Or if you just wait till that 30 days, then they will return your startup capital back to you. They are not taking it away from you. The only money they just need from you is the money you use to buy the robot. So that is how that one work. If you want to go for the robot 2, robot 3, the robot 2 price is $5. The startup capital is $100, and this robot will be giving you $1.50 every day for 30 days. For 30 days, you get about 40 something dollars, about $45 plus your capital. That means you are having about $145. You can withdraw at any time. You have up to $10 on this platform. So like that, that is how their investment plans work on this platform. So right now, guys, let's make this withdraw and let's see if this platform is still paying or not. So right now we go down here and click on withdraw So after I click on withdraw, I want to withdraw 11.71. Let me withdraw it like this. So I'm withdrawing 11.71 right now. And okay, now I will click on confirm, enter my withdrawal password. So I have input my withdrawal password right now. So now click on confirm. Submitted successfully. So right now let me go back to my wallet here. Let me go to my wallet, and I will keep on checking here. Maybe the money has arrived. So guys, as you can see, 11.12 has arrived. So let me check the wallet now. So as you can see, this is the money right here. As you can see it has arrived. So you can see it. So this is the 11.12, the money that I just received from the robot wallet just now. I withdraw 11.4 something, so they take a transaction fee of maybe 0.3. Let's see the amount they take. Let's see the transaction fee. So that I withdraw $11.71. They take a transaction fee of 0.5855 from it. So I received $0.12. So guys, as you can see, the platform is still paying till now. So this is my 11th 11th withdrawal from this platform. So you can see it by yourself. So guys, what we need to do right now is to deposit. If you want to deposit, click on the home page, and don't forget to register. If you want to register, check the description of this video. You will see the registration link there always. So right now, click on your home page and click on recharge. So the amount you want to recharge, the minimum you can recharge on this platform is 10 USDT, which is $10 USDT TRC20. So you can also make payment in Nigeria. There is a payment now in Nigeria currency. For example, let's say as you are in Nigeria, you want to make payment in a Nigeria currency. This is what you will need to do. You click on payment in Nigeria instead of this TRC20 recommend by them. So for example, let me first use this one as an example. The USDT deposit. So you input the amount you want to deposit. Let's say you want to deposit $32 now, or $105. So you click on confirm recharge. So after that, it will take you to a page where you will copy your wallet address. So this is the wallet address you have to send the money to. Click on copy, then send this amount into it. So when you send that amount to it, in less than 2 minutes or 3 minutes, you will receive the money in your wallet. But again, let's say you want to go with Nigeria payment, you want to deposit using Nigeria currency, then right now you $10 is about 7,400 naira on this platform rate. If you are depositing $32 is about 23,680. If you are depositing $105, that is 77,700 naira. If you are depositing $525, that is about 388,500. So just know the one you are doing exactly. So right now, click on confirm recharge. Confirm recharge. So right now they will take you to a page. The page will open to another page. So you are going to see the company account number you are going to send the money to. As you can see, 77,700 naira. So if you want to use your bank card, which is your debit card, to make the payment, you select this. But if you want to do the transfer from your bank app, you select this. If you want to use USSD code, you select this. But for me, I don't advise using USSD code. I don't advise it. I don't advise people using that. So right now, select, let's say you want to use bank transfer. Now click on bank transfer. Then you will see the account number you are sending the money into, account number you have to send the money to. So right now, let's wait and see. Generating account details. So the account number, this is the account number, this is the account number. You are sending the money into this account here, Wema Bank, Atimi Lending Limited. So this is the account number. Just click on this to copy it, then send the money into Wema Bank. The bank name is Wema Bank, and this is the amount you have to send. Then after you made the transfer on your phone, you will come back to this place, to this page, and click on I have made this transfer. I have made this transfer. So after that, it will roll and write successful. So immediately it writes successful, you can now go back to your robot wallet, and you will see the money on your wallet. Here you will see it on your wallet in USDT. It will be converted to USDT. So the next thing is to go back here again, then purchase the robot you want to buy. Just purchase the robot you want to buy. Don't type anything here. For example, let's say you want to go for this robot here. Don't type any other things there. Don't type any other thing here. Just click on pay. Just click on pay. So immediately you click on pay, that means you have purchased the robot. So the next thing to do is to click on view my robot warehouse here. So click on view my robot warehouse, then click on activate. Just click on activate. So that is it. So when you click on activate, your robot will start working. So let me show you my robot here. This is my robot. So this is the robot I'm using currently right now. As you can see, it's at work. The robot is at work right now. You can see it here at work. I can decide to cancel the robot. I click on suspend. If I click on suspend now, I will cancel the robot from working for me, and my $100, this dollars here, this $100 you are seeing here, will be back into my wallet, into my account, into my wallet balance here. So I can decide to withdraw back my capital if I don't want to do it again, or I'm in need of my money and I want to use it for some other quick something. So that is how the platform is. So right now, after you deposit and you do everything, your money will start counting for you, and you can start making money every day by day on this platform. At the same time, you can also make money by referring your friends and family into this platform. Then you'll be getting commissions. You'll be getting commissions too. So guys, thank you for watching, and see you soon on my next video. So for now, goodbye for now.